The science behind laughter's healing power. You'll be amazed. Join me, guys, up until the end. Ethel Allera here. Let's go! Did you know that something as simple as laughing can boost your immune system, reduce stress, and even relieve pain? In today's video, we dive deep into the fascinating science behind laughter's healing power. And trust me, you'll never look at a good laugh the same way again.
Here are 4 healing power of laughter.
The top one healing power of laughter. Laughter reduces stress hormones. When you laugh, your cortisol levels drop, allowing your body to relax and fight inflammation. They tap to healing power of laughter. It boosts heart health. Laughter increases blood flow and improves the function of blood vessels, reducing your risk of heart disease. The top 3 healing power of laughter. It strengthens your immune system. Laughter triggers the release of antibodies and activates immune cells, making you more resistant to illness. The top 4 healing power of laughter. It relieves pain naturally. Endorphins released during laughter act as natural painkillers, easing tension and discomfort. The top 5 healing power of laughter. It improves mental health. Laughter increases dopamine and serotonin, the feel good chemicals in your brain, helping combat anxiety and depression. So, the next time you hear a good joke or watch something funny, don't hold back. Laugh out loud because your body and mind will thank you. Like, comment, and ring the bell. Subscribe for more wellness tips that keep you healthy and smiling. And remember, a laugh a day keeps the doctor away. What is laughter? Laughter is a natural physiological response to humor, joy, or even social interactions. It's the spontaneous sound and movement we make when something amuses us, often accompanied by smiling, vocal sounds like chuckling or belly laughing, and positive emotion.
Quick facts about laughter. One. It releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. 2. It reduces stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. 3. It boosts the immune system by increasing infection-fighting antibodies. 4. It improves cardiovascular health by enhancing blood flow. 5. It fosters connection, making social bonding stronger.
Ang tawa ay isang natural na reaksyon ng katawan sa kasiyahan, katuwaan, o nakakatawang pangyayari. Isa itong positibong emosyon na kadalasang may kasamang ngiti, tunog ng pagtawa, at paggalaw ng katawan. Sa madaling salita, ang tawa ay gamot na walang bayad, nakakagaan ng loob, nakakababa ng stress, at nakapagpapasaya ng puso, isipan. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button for you to be updated on our next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.